Well, hello. I wanted to show you a wreath I've been working on. I've just got one section left to finish, but this is for a customer who is a fan of the Kansas City Chiefs, and she wanted a wreath, presumably for her front door, to represent the Chiefs colors. So that's what I've been working on. I'm using a 14-inch wreath frame and ribbon that's I think it's probably from 5/8 to 1.5 inch size, just for variety in the team colors. And of course, I threw in the white. They do wear white, I don't know what you call them, bottoms, trousers, whatever, to kind of break up the colors a bit. And I used mostly, what's it called? Grosgrain ribbon. And there is some polyester ribbon in here as well. I wanted to mention, if you decide to make one of these for this Sunday's game or any Super Bowl or any game, to be conscientious of the placement of your colors. Don't put yellows against yellows and reds against reds and so forth. And in my case, I've been dovetailing the ribbon to make it a little fancier. And if you don't know how to do that, you just take a piece of ribbon. I've already cut this to an 8-inch length. All of them are 8 inches in length. And you fold them in half. And you go from the folded part. Can you see? You go from the folded part up. Whoops. And that makes a nice little V shape. Can you see here? Let me hold it closer. And that gives it just more of a finished edge. Now, I do have some very tiny ribbon in here, just a few odds and ends that were so small. They're probably, I don't know, less than 1/4 inch, maybe 1/8 inch. And I didn't dovetail those because that's kind of ridiculous. So anyway, and so you just, I start on the bottom row. And I don't know if you can see this, probably not, my hands are in the way. I just tie the ribbon on the 14-inch frame. You can make it larger if you like, I suppose, or smaller if you like. With one knot. You don't want to do more than one knot because it'll just make it too, first of all, it'll make the ribbon too short, and it'll make the whole thing too bulky. So I'm going to finish this up. I've only got this one section left. Give yourself plenty of time in making this, and be cognizant of your ribbon placement, and alternate according to width and according to color. Don't make it too complicated, but you want to make sure you have a variety. And I think that's what I'm showing here, a variety of colors. Of course, the white standing out. White always does. But I think it looks very pretty, and I think my customer is going to be very happy with it. Give yourself time to do this, although it's not difficult by any means. It's time consuming. So unless you're going to be gung-ho and do it for 24 hours straight, or however many hours this took me, I would give yourself a week to 10 days just to make sure you can do this in your leisure time and get it done properly without worrying about it, because it is awfully time consuming. So, okay, well, happy Super Bowl Sunday, and I'll take a picture of this. I'll hang it on the wall temporarily just to show you what it looks like, or on my door, I should say. And happy Super Bowl. Talk to you later. Bye.